What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the show today. We're going to be installing a windshield banner on the Mk7 Gti. Let's go.
Coming in.
Alright guys, so my friend over at BossDecals sent me two windshield banners, one for the Mk7 Gti and one for the new F-150. So we're going to be unboxing it, throwing it on. I'm going to give you guys a couple of tips and tricks on how to do this by yourself. And we're going to see how good this looks and how good it comes out. Alright, so here is the first one. It says MedicMagic, like you guys can see. It's going to go right across the front there. And not too bad, not too shabby. 7 inches in length, or 7 inches in width. Hopefully not too big. But the MedicMagic is cut out, so it should be pretty cool. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do here is make sure the windshield is nice and clean. So we're going to take some Windex, wipe it down real good, and dry it off. Alright, so I just hit it with the microfiber. I'm going to take a couple paper towels just to make sure it's nice and dry.
I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in base. Slab on everything. Swimming, you shaking.
Alright guys, so after doing a little bit of research, I heard that taking a little bit of Dawn dish soap and water and spraying it on the back is going to give you a little bit of room for mistake that you can pull it off if you need to.
Cause I got big racks coming, I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on.
Alright guys, so it's all done. The process took a little bit longer. It was a little bit more interesting than I thought it was going to be since I'm the vinyl master. But anyways, came out really good. There's a couple little bubbles here and there, but the quality is really good. I told him that I wanted MedicMagic cut out. I wanted it a little bit smaller of a size, and I wanted flat black. And my boy over at BossDecals came through in the clutch. Shout out to you, BossDecals. I'll put a link to his website and his Instagram down below in the description so you guys can check him out. He hooked me up with these really good price, really good deal. I think originally he sells these custom-made banners for, I think it was $50 a piece, $45, maybe something like that. So again, guys, if you liked it, hit him up. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, drop me a comment. We'll see you next time. Peace.
I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in. Yeah, flex. I just wanna